See, how many of you are 30 plus? I mean, I'm talking about age. Just type me, okay, chat option, 30 plus. Okay, most of you. So let me share this. Okay, those who are not in this age, 30 plus, okay, you are in 20s. See, with most of the people, I mean, if you see some stats on Google as well, with most of the people, you will find that people who are above 30 to 45, between this age, 30 to 45, you will find a situation. Uh, I mean, there's some phase in your life where you will find a situation where you will not be able to work. You will not be able to work. Okay, I mean, maybe somebody falls ill, seriously ill in your home, at your home. Maybe you are terribly sick. Maybe some chronic disease. Maybe some financial crunches. Maybe some problems at home. Something in personal life. Okay, basically something happens in your personal life. Okay, and when this situation happens between 30 to 45 of age, when this situation happens, I mean, this has happened with me as well. My wife, she has been diagnosed with a chronic kidney disease, and um, I was just thinking about, like, suppose, just imagine if I was into job. Just think about it, okay? And if suppose if I'm working with some IT company and this situation happens, so how would I be able to cope up with this situation? It will be very, very tough, correct? Maybe, I mean, and especially at this age, 30 plus, okay, this, you are not a fresher. You are now, maybe you reach at a project lead level or manager level. Okay, at least you are managing a team of at least 5 to 10 people, because you got some experience, 30 plus, correct? So at this position, you need to show up, you need to manage your team, and you have some responsibilities, not only at your home but responsibilities at your office. And this becomes a very tough situation. I've seen so many people going through this tough situation, and they have completely lost their life. I mean, they're completely, they feel lost, and then they go to astrologers, go to so many other places, and finally they lose more money there. So sometimes I feel really very lucky to be, I mean, that I took a decision to start this business, network marketing. Okay, and another thing is, not only network marketing, even there are so many people who are doing network marketing just like a job, where they are traveling, they're visiting their office. Don't just imagine if you're building a network marketing business in a same fashion, like every day. I've seen so many people who, they see network marketing as a job, where they go to office, their network marketing company office every day, 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. They create this situation for them that, okay, this is my temple. Okay, I have to visit my temple each and every day. They think like this. Okay, and they visit office, they meet people, and this becomes their daily routine. And when this becomes your daily routine, if this situation happens, like some medical problem or some problem, even your parents may also require your time at this moment. Many of you, I mean, 30, if you are 30 plus, your parents would be 60 plus, or maybe around 60, correct? So they would also be requiring your time, and your spouse may require your time. You have a kid, you have to manage their schooling also, and there's so many responsibilities, especially in this age. And if you are not into a profession where you, I mean, where there is no independence, okay, it becomes really very, very tough to live. So why I'm sharing all this thing is because we should ultimately feel proud. Okay, those who are, especially those who are into 20s, okay, focus full on in network marketing, and especially building this online. The reason is, you are making yourself available or free for this situation. I mean, I'm not saying that this situation will come to you or arise, but um, I mean, you should feel that this is a blessing. Okay, that we got an opportunity to use the latest gadgets, latest tools, latest, I mean, whatever is the latest in the market, we are learning it, and we are able to implement it fast. And I was hearing one very interesting quote from one of the podcasts, I don't remember, but they're saying that very interesting one liner, that is, whenever you make money, okay, when you make money, use this money to buy time. Okay, to buy time. How you can do it? By investing on some tools, by investing on your own knowledge, by investing your money. Okay, when you are making any active income, okay, use that money and invest this money on something which we call in typical financial terms assets, which can make money for you. And the money which you make from these assets, then you can spend this money. So in terms of, if we connect it with our business, in our business, when we make money, suppose if I'm making money from network marketing, maybe 20,000-30,000 rupees, invest this money in some tools or some strategies so that you can make more money. Just multiply the money. Okay. Why you're not able to multiply the money is because you don't know how to invest your time and effort and money in building some assets. Right now, I have 2 YouTube channels which are monetized. 2 YouTube channels. Now, last week we discussed about risk assessment. Just imagine if my company today, if my company fire me because of any reason, okay, my network marketing company, because of any reason, let's think about all the good and bad situations. If they fire me because of any situation, it will create some, obviously it will impact me emotionally, but it is not going to impact me much financially. It is not that I'm not making money. I'm making close to 6 figure, but the amount of time I'm investing in my network marketing business is nothing. Okay. It is completely gone into auto mode. Even before this meeting, we got some new joinings in the team. Maybe some new people have joined the meeting as well today. Just see, some new people joined the team. This new person joined the team. Even I don't know who is this person. So people are joining the team. People are doing one-to-one meeting. I have invested my time and energy in building some assets in form of people. Okay, we got some really amazing, talented, committed people in form of Vikram, Shubham, Chanchal Soni. There's still and there are many more people who are developing. Okay, and they are becoming independent of me. They're considering this business as their own business. So this kind of culture, if I can create this kind of culture where people are independent of me, if I can invest on some tools which can build business for me, even right now when I'm talking to you, Digital Tarun is working. There's a webinar going on live, which is MLM automation. Okay, MLM automation webinar, which is running right now. And there are some people who are watching it. Do you want to see the backend, from the backend, how behind the scenes? Just see, this is behind the scene. 13 people are watching business automation webinar, and I'm talking to you. So I've invested my time and energy in learning these tools. I've invested my money monthly, every month. I pay to these tools. I pay to world's best webinar tool, Webinar Gem. I pay to world's best online tool, that is Kajabi. I pay to world's best, you can say YouTube automation tool. You can call it YouTube automation tool. Okay, that is StreamYard. I've invested money here. I've invested on world's best appointment booking, one-to-one meeting appointment system, that is Calendly. So why I'm investing on all these tools is because I'm using my money, which I'm making from network marketing. I'm using this money to buy time. And this time is really my main earning. Okay. So I'm really impressed with those people who are free. Okay. Free, right? So even today, if I don't work, okay, if I don't work, just think, one is money. Okay, I heard this from, I think, Robert Kiyosaki. What is the difference between money and wealth? Okay, money is something which you are earning, but wealth is something which, everybody may have different perception and thought process on this, but wealth is something like, suppose if you stop working today, for how many days you can survive without working? For how many days? Okay, so this is the real wealth with which I'm really very impressed. So hence, what I'm trying to explain you each and every week is focus on YouTube, because if you don't focus today, things may happen. Okay, something in life will happen, some incident will happen, which will reflect in your business. So we don't have any business problem, we have life problem which reflect in business. So keep yourself available, keep yourself free. Okay, that is an important thing. So the biggest hurdle, or you can say the biggest roadblock, okay, between you and your success in your business is only you. Okay, so keep yourself away from your business. Try your best to keep yourself away. What you can do today so that you your business runs without you. Just think about it. Okay. And also, just this is an excellent exercise. I heard this from, I mean, how many of you have read this? I've not read this book, but I've seen an audio summary, book summary, that is 4 Hours Work Week. Have you heard about this book? So the author says, play with your mind. Tim Ferriss, yes. He says, play with your mind. Just think that you have only, you can, your doctor says that you can work for only 2 hours a day. Your doctor says, just imagine this situation. Your doctor says you can work for only 2 hours a day. If you work more than 2 hours, you will die. Just give this situation to yourself. Now, these 2 hours, you will be ultimately, you will focus, right? What will you do? What will you do in these 2 hours? So what I will do, I will quickly set up StreamYard. Okay, 9 p.m. I will be watching a movie after this meeting. I will be watching a movie. You know, you want to know which movie? The movie name is Thank God. Okay, Ajay Devgan ki movie. Thank God. I'm going to watch that movie. Okay, we have planned for this. But at 9 p.m. I will be live on YouTube. Okay, so what I will do in next 2 hours, which will make more and more money for me. That's an ultimate challenge you have to give to yourself. Okay, so many of you, I see you are still struggling in how to generate leads, how to create content. Come out of this situation first. Come out of this situation. Got it? So with this thought process, I mean, this happened with Vikram as well. Okay, he lost his father, but did you know that he's still making money? Okay, he's still making some money. So that's the thing. So that's what my sincere, you can say, effort, my sincere intention for all my downlines, and as well as all my partners in DNA Club, all of you, my sincere mindset for all of you, or thought for all of you, is I really want all of you to live a life of freedom, and you make consistent income, stable, your business should be stable, and ultimately pure passive income. Most of the network marketers just say net passive income, but they're not earning passive income.